Assalamu alaikum Adnan, how are you today?
Walaikum salam, sir. I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. So now I would like to ask you some question and you will answer these questions. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So Adnan, do you drink water every day?
Yes, I drink water every day because it keeps me healthy. So we should drink water every day.
Do you eat halal food?
Yes, I eat halal food because I am a Muslim. So we should eat halal and pure food.
Do you fly kites in winter?
Yes, I fly kites in winter because it gives me joy. So I like it very much.
Do you like halal song?
Yes, I like halal song because it gives me peace. So we should sing halal song.
Do you choose good friends?
Yes, I choose good friends because they help me stay on the right path. So we should keep good company.
So Adnan, do you draw picture?
Yes, I draw picture because I love art. So we should use our talent for good thing.
Do you fight with others?
No, I don't fight with other because it's bad. So we should stay peaceful with other.
Do you go to mosque every day?
Yes, I go to mosque every day because I am Muslim. As a Muslim, we should pray 5 times Salah every day.
Do you eat rice every day?
Yes, I eat rice every day because it's very important for our health. So we should eat healthy food every day.
Do you sit here every day?
Yes, I sit here every day because it's my place.
Don't you sit here every day?
No, I don't sit here every day because it's not my chair.
Do you play here every day?
Yes, I play here every day because it's our matcha field.
Okay, I want to play with you.
That's nice. You're most welcome.
Okay, Adnan, thank you very much for answering all these questions.